Love this bike. Husqvarna 701 Enduro 2022. I have spent more money than I care to mention, making it mine, but I'm nearly there. Out today testing the new Hoverair Promax. I normally use the DJI Mini Pro 3, which I love, but like with all things it has limitations. The follow me setting isn't the best. The DJI is great at aerial footage. The hover drone is so simple to use. Press the button and go. It does, however, have limitations. Small branches, which it is supposed to avoid. It collided with one, resulting with me spending 3 hours looking for it in the undergrowth. Okay, maybe not 3 hours.
Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
But it did manage to catch me, catching a rogue branch. That removed my spring from my side stand without me knowing, resulting with me finishing the trail and dropping the bike. I continued the trail, unaware I had lost the spring and the stand was bouncing freely under me. Awesome day out. Didn't see anyone all day. Some amazing trails and more than a few miles traveled. Broken stand and dropped bike meant it was time for home and a few beers. Bike fixed, cleaned and ready to go. All I need now is a pass from the wife.